Okay, I'm sorry. I forgot to do it today, but we went and bought one bundle of this flooring stuff. And like I said before, I don't have a lot of money. So the reason I'm going to do this is to help people out with who have, like me, little money or no money to get done with what they got to do. So anyway, we bought just one bundle of this, and as you can see, we were one piece short. So we took all the excess that we cut off from here to come out here to the edge of that right there, and we pieced them all in there because, well, we, like I said, we don't have money, a lot of money. So now I'm gonna squirt caulk up in there, all the way around there, and then tomorrow I got to get screws because we'll have a little bit of money tomorrow to be able to get screws. But after I put that caulk up in there like that, then I'm coming out here and I'm going to put screws up in here and a log here to push this up all the way down here in here. And then I'm going to put caulk on, caulk the holes up. I mean, where the screws are. And put these pieces right up, caulk this. And put that piece up there again. And screw it in there. Come out here and do the same thing here. And, well, just do the same thing here. Yeah, I'm hoping that'll go up in there, but that's what we're gonna do tomorrow, and then this floor will be done. When I go to undo this, I'm gonna undo quite a bit of it because I got to put this cable back in here where it's supposed to go, and let me see if I can see that up in there. But put that in there, and then I'll have to tighten up that cable inside and draw that in. And once I get it drawn in, then I'm going to tighten up this one a bit. I don't like the way this one's sitting out like it is. So, but then I got to find out what this is supposed to be doing and replace that, and then I should be ready to put my rails in there to strap my toolbox down so that we can motivate. So that's today's job that we did.